We have to be able to develop care and empathy when we see things in the news, when we hear about things, when we hear about things in our community. You know, New Hampshire's been hit a lot with the drug epidemic. Some of you guys have relatives, families, friends that have been impacted by it. How do we create empathy towards those folks? Do we feel better about ourselves because we're in a better situation than they are, so therefore we're like, ooh, I'm good? But those emotions and feelings comes from the same place. It comes from the same place. And then we project that towards people that might be different from us. And then if you don't confront it now, you know, you go to college, you graduate from college. Oh, when you go to college, you'll probably find a circle, you create a circle of people that might have similar ideologies than you. And you're like, ooh, I got my own little circle. And then you graduate out of college, you get a job, you're probably gonna want to move to a community that looks like you. You probably want to work at a company that has similar point of view as you. And then before you know it, your whole entire life, you've been protecting the wall, you know what I mean? That you'll be protecting yourself with the walls that you've put up. And you finally moved up in the company, you're a manager, a director, and you're about to hire someone, and that person is different than you are. I don't really know if they're gonna fit in our culture, but they have all the same skill set. Nah, sorry. You have kids, you have your own family, and you're sitting there, and there's a school board meeting about something that's gonna happen that maybe considers other culture, and you're like, heck no, what about us? Why do we have to always send fundings to others? People are voting about something that's about to happen in your community, and all of a sudden that fear comes up. You're like, oh no, that will not be good. So that's where we start. You know, a lot of times we're very outward. We're living in a society that's all about like, ooh, look at me. Look at how I identify myself with the external. But we don't really spend a lot of time reflecting on who we are. Because who you are is the essence of what drives you.